So as you guys all know, I told you guys that when the frog is on land, they respire through the lungs. When the frog is in water, they respire through the skin. After that, we are having a reptiles. So reptiles is also similar to the their circulation also similar to the amphibian, that is frog. So if we talk about the heart of the reptiles, as you guys all know, I told you guys they are having a three chambers, but they are all have a septa wall that divide the ventricle. So through here you can see that how they are dividing. So first of all, let me make the diagram first. Okay, okay, so let me make the diagram first. Okay, so this is the trunk. This is the trunk. Okay, this is truncus venosus, where the blood basically move towards the arteries. Through trunk we are having a CV, that is what, that is the cavum pulmonalis. Okay, after that we are having here, we are having a one thing that move toward this one, or this one, that is the CP. Okay, this is the CP, that is cavum pulmonalis, and this is a CV, that is cavum venosus. Sorry. Okay, so this is what this is the right atrium, this is the left atrium, this is the right ventricle, this is the left ventricle. Here you can see that this is the septa wall, that is you can say the dividing a ventricle. Here you can see that we are having a pre-caval, and we are having this area, we are having a post-caval, that is the superior one, this is the inferior vena cava and superior vena cava, and these are the lungs. Okay, so so they are having two ventricle, two atrium, but okay, they are having a ventricular septum. Okay, that's why they are calling as an incomplete. Okay, so from the deoxygenated blood is coming from heart to it is moving toward the right atrium, okay, so right atrium, it is moving toward the right ventricle, okay. This post caval, their deoxygenated blood is coming to the right atrium to the right ventricle. Okay, after that it's moving toward the blood is moving toward the cavum pulmonalis, CP, sorry. After it is moving toward the trunk pulmonary trunk. So after the pulmonary trunk, the blood move toward the lungs, and the deoxygenated blood change into the oxygenated blood. Okay, after that the you can say the oxygenated blood is coming in the left atrium. Through the left atrium it is moving towards the left ventricle. So we are having a C V. Okay, left atrium to the left ventricle to the CV. So CV to the trunk, and trunk to the these arcs. Okay, so we were at the CV. So CV was the cavum venosus. So the oxygenated blood is coming from the left atrium to the left ventricle. After that the oxygenated blood is moving toward the cavum venosus. After that cavum venosus move to the trunk and to the arcs, to the body parts. So it is moving to the trunk, after the trunk to the systemic arcs. Okay, after that it is the oxygenated blood is moving toward the body parts. So this circulation occurs through which the reptiles respire. So this was the circulatory system of the reptiles. So they are also having a same arc, that was carotid, systematic, pulmocutaneous. Okay, so these all the part will be like these all the arcs will be same as I have told you guys in the previous one lecture, that was reptile circulatory system. So these all are the same. So this is also a incomplete just because of the ventricle. Incomplete double circulatory system. Okay, in the next video we'll discuss about the birds.